Now let us discuss 88th question. The method used to remove the temporary hardness of water. Among the four methods, which method is used to remove the temporary hardness of water? We know that there is two methods to remove the temporary hardness of water. First one is boiling. By boiling, the temporary hardness of water is removed. The second one is Clerk's method. In Clerk's method, to remove the temporary hardness of water, quicklime is added. Okay. Now let us see the methods to remove the permanent hardness of water. The first method is Kalgan's method, and the second method is ion exchange, and third one is synthetic resins method. Now let us verify the first option, Kalgan's method. We know that Kalgan's method is used to remove the permanent hardness of water. So option 1 is eliminated. Ion exchange method is also used to remove the permanent hardness of water. Option 3 is eliminated. Option 4 is also eliminated. Why? Because synthetic resin method is used to remove the permanent hardness of water. The remaining option you have is option 2. Clerk's method is used to remove the temporary hardness of water, and by boiling to remove the temporary hardness of water.